Welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for everything that moves on wheels. From roaring supercars to silent electric scooters, and from futuristic tech to the quirkiest machines on the road, we cover it all. So if you love exploring the world of unique vehicles, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's dive into something truly offbeat, innovative, and surprisingly practical, the RV Tricycle Camper. Yes, you heard that right. It's an RV on a tricycle. A compact, eco-friendly, and incredibly creative solution that brings the joy of camping and the freedom of travel together in the smallest possible footprint. The idea of combining a camper with a tricycle might sound a bit wild at first. But when you break it down, it actually makes a lot of sense, especially in today's world where sustainable travel is becoming more important than ever. These micro-campers are typically attached to or integrated into electric or pedal-powered tricycles, creating a mobile home that's small enough to ride on bike paths, light enough to be powered without fuel, and clever enough to include all the essentials you need to survive, or at least enjoy, a few days on the road. So, what exactly is an RV tricycle camper? Well, imagine a recumbent or upright tricycle, usually electric-assisted, with a tiny teardrop-style camper mounted behind the rider. Some are fully enclosed capsules, while others resemble miniature trailers. Inside, you might find a bed, basic storage compartments, solar panels, lighting, and even a fold-out table or cooking surface. It's kind of like a tent on wheels, but far more comfortable and way more eye-catching. One of the most well-known names in this niche is Gentle Tense Turtle, an inflatable camping trailer designed for bicycles and e-bikes. When folded, it's compact and easy to tow. But once set up, it becomes a full-on two-person tent elevated off the ground, complete with a mattress and weather protection. Then there's the Camper Trike by Lars Oskats, a DIY masterpiece that looks like something straight out of a post-apocalyptic sci-fi film, in the best possible way. It's a fully functional pedal-powered trike with a boxy camper shell on the back. The interior has a fold-out bed, some storage for food and gear, and even a solar panel on the roof for powering lights and small electronics. And let's not forget the viral sensation known as the wide path camper from Denmark. So, why are people turning to RV tricycle campers? Well, the obvious reasons are affordability, simplicity, and sustainability. Let's face it, traditional RVs are expensive to buy, costly to maintain, and they guzzle fuel like there's no tomorrow. Tricycle campers, on the other hand, cost a fraction of the price, require almost zero maintenance, and are easy on both your wallet and the environment. If you're already into biking or e-biking, it's a natural evolution. Plus, these campers give you access to places where larger RVs simply can't go. You can roll into tight camping spots, bike trails, or even park in your backyard. That kind of flexibility opens up a whole new world of travel, especially for solo explorers and minimalists who value the journey more than the luxury. Now, of course, this isn't for everyone. If you're the type of camper who needs a hot shower, a TV, and a king-sized bed, a tricycle camper probably isn't your dream ride. But for adventurers who want to downsize, unplug, and connect with nature, it's perfect. You get shelter, mobility, and the satisfaction of knowing you're doing it all with minimal environmental impact. Another cool aspect? Many of these builds are DIY friendly. With a little mechanical know-how and creativity, you can actually build your own tricycle camper using recycled materials, bike parts, and some woodworking. There's a whole community online dedicated to this style of travel, sharing blueprints, hacks, and real-world tips for creating tiny homes on three wheels. The future of RVing could very well be smaller, smarter, and greener. And as cities become more congested and fuel prices remain unpredictable, innovations like the RV Tricycle Camper could become the go-to choice for local trips, weekend getaways, or even full-time nomadic living, on a micro scale. So the next time you see someone pedaling down a country road with a strange little trailer behind them, don't laugh. They might just be living their best life, slow, simple, and free. That's all for today's ride here on Autoverse. If you enjoyed this look into the world of RV tricycle campers, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Would you ever try living on a bike camper? Or better yet, would you build your own? We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. We've got plenty more mind-blowing machines and road-going oddities coming your way. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your spirit wandering, only here on channel.